Okay.
We pouring?
Yeah.
Bottle number 1. I don't need that much. That's probably good for me. Not her giving us this big ass cup.
Yeah.
I am gonna mix this. I know, I'll put it outside.
Okay, I got
The
it.
cabbage.
Yeah, you like, close that shit out.
Girl, that's what I yell all day. Close the goddamn thing. Ooh. But tomorrow is gonna be a pig, y'all. Don't trip.
I told you I was gonna feed you. You talking about I'm gonna starve.
Y'all, this is my New York friend right here for real.
Because we're gonna eat. Yeah. I wanted to try this naan because I heard it was good.
I love naan bread.
I've never had that.
Classic love this shit.
It's
the Indian bread.
It's garlic though. So
good.
But I was supposed to get butter because the girl on TikTok said I was
Let's go with butter on it.
I'm gonna get butter tomorrow.
That's cool.
But I got chips, I got delivery, and I got guacamole for you because you said you love guacamole.
You are hilarious about having this shit in the microwave.
What's wrong with that? And I got I hope this is good.
Those are good.
Okay, good. Because I don't make tacos, I eat tacos.
Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, way better. Stop. This the new driver, y'all. The new driver, y'all.
Don't. And I did good.
Yeah, period. Y'all, we is outside. We is in Houston, Texas. And we are on the hunt for a new home, y'all. It's about that time. It's time to relocate on to a new season, new chapter, y'all. It's finna be lit. So I want y'all to come along with me and check out these apartments. And we finna see what's to it. Oh, this is a nice lounge area. Okay.
Oh, look at your pool, girl. This is nice.
I like this. I hate the carpet right there, but it's okay. See, this is what I like.
If you want to come down late night and get a workout, you can definitely do that as well.
All right. Thank you.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes. I love these mirrors. Okay. This is cute.
Is that sound?
No, so that is most likely kitchen room. So if while you work out, your kids can have somewhere to play.
Oh, that's perfect for classic. Yeah. Oh, that's super cute. Can I open it? Yeah, okay. Oh, this is nice. And that's what I need. Okay. Love it, love it. Okay. Yeah, this is cute. Okay.
Be reserved as well.
Thank you. This is nice.
What y'all saying about more about like real estate or
Lifestyle,
okay.
mom content, fashion, hair. Oh, this is nice. But I am actually getting my real estate license, so yes. Huh? I'm only at 70. I'm trying to get on her level. Where you at?
I mean, I'm girl, my level,
Right. This is nice. Oh, this is nice to work at.
This comes with a washer and dryer, and then a balcony as well.
Okay, I love the sink and cabinet space. Okay. I like the color. Are all the cabinets this color, or is it different?
So all the cabinets would be white and red.
Okay. This kind of reminds me of my old apartment. Yeah. Okay, whirlpool. Then they got the shelves. Can I go on the balcony?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, this is nice. Oh, is it locked? Oh, there it is. Okay, it's a nice size. Okay. Nice and big. Are the balconies all this size?
Yes, all the same size.
Okay.
I got you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
I like this. Okay, bedroom, nice size.
All the lights is attached to the thing.
What?
You know when you turn the light on and it's it start that thing that you said.
Oh, the vent?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, cabinet space. I love it. But what is this? Oh, it's outside. Okay. Oh, this is a nice closet size.
This is nice.
Oh, this is really nice. It's a lot of space.
And I like the view.
Mm-hmm.
I see people running through here.
Girl.
And he's not hurting himself because of the carpet.
Right, I definitely need carpet in the rooms.
Yeah.
Okay, I love this.
Look at that closet. That closet, girl. That closet's cute.
Mm-hmm. And that closet big.
Yeah, that closet is big.
And Classic need a big closet, bro. So much stuff as he got. I love this. Okay.
Oh, this light is not attached to the thing, so that's good, right?
So the other switch was outside it.
Okay.
I like this.
This is cute. This is really nice.
Okay. And then for the price. Y'all come on. You good.
I'm gonna get in your video.
No, you fine. Hey, handsome. So cute. Hello.
Hello, what it do? Welcome, ladies.
Hello. Hey, what's good? Oh, this is cute. Okay. This is great for pictures.
You can also rent it out for any events or parties as well.
Okay.
And then you'll get the game room.
Oh, this is really nice. Yes. Yes. We are new influencers to vlogging life. Yes. Oh yeah, I love this. That's what I saw on TikTok. The think.
I was just gonna ask you.
I saw it. I was like, what is that?
That is so nice. It gives club vibes, but you're in your house.
Wow, that's cute.
That's very cute.
Come in here, sip your coffee, read,
Yeah.
Yeah.
work. Everything is first come, first serve as well.
Right.
And the decor, what is your decor? Is fine.
Mm-hmm.
We'll eventually have desktops, but just so new that no one really uses the space, so they're
Yeah.
holding out a little bit.
Okay. Love this. Is the gym 24 hours?
It is.
Okay, great. All right, thank you. Oh, this is a big gym. Okay, don't even need a membership. Okay. Oh yeah, y'all got all the equipment too. This is literally like the apartment in Cali. This is crazy. Right, and that's what I need to be on. Okay.
You know we need to be on the stairs.
I love it. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this, friend.
Very nice. Oh,
Oh, yeah. It's definitely giving me Cali vibes.
Yeah. We do have a pizza oven
Okay.
out there where the grilling area is at, as well as a smoker.
Oh, wow. I love
Ladies
this.
want to maybe walk through?
Yeah.
Sure. You have to reserve, like if you have like a party, like a barbecue, you have to.
Okay.
I love this. I like how it's like different. Classic would love this. Girl. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I love this. I feel like I'm on vacation. Okay. This is cute. Oh yeah. I love this. That's super cute. Classic would be on that. Oh wow. That's nice. Wow, me neither.
And it's indoors, not outside.
Right. Okay.
That's
Better than Tesla. I told you, friend.
oh, this is nice. I love the like the fact it's in the middle of the floor. Right?
Yes.
You can have this as your kitchen and then use this as a separate living room.
Yeah.
And then you have your actual living room.
Love it.
Working girl. This is nice.
I like this. And you said it'll either be white or gray cabinets. I like this. Way more cabinet space as well. Okay.
We do have updated appliances. We did love our fridge.
Yeah.
Stove and the sink.
Okay. Yeah, this sink is everything. And you got the black. Okay.
This is what I wanted. The black appliances. Yes.
Yes. Okay, bathroom.
You do have double access.
Oh.
Way in your bedroom.
Oh, nice.
Look, the shower here.
I get different footage, so yeah.
Same. And then right over here is going to be your washer and dryer.
Okay. Love it. Nice size room. I love it. And there's carpets in the room and I like the floors.
Yeah, this is nice.
I love it. Yeah. I like this. Oh yeah, I like this already.
Oh yeah, the layout.
Spider. Oh, I like this. Okay.
Oh, I like
And you
this.
have your own laundry room, washer and dryer.
Mm-hmm. Needed.
Yeah, let me turn on the light for you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate you understanding the concept. That's right, girl. Thank you. You should do this too. You get a bag. You
Really?
too.
Or
Yeah.
are you vlogging YouTube?
YouTube, yeah.
Mhm.
Especially because you have access to the conference.
Yeah.
I didn't see that. Okay.
Ooh, this is cute. Oh yeah, I like the gray.
You're gonna love this. Yeah.
She likes my layout for my
Oh, okay.
So I think this is definitely her speed for sure.
And you can have this all in the living room area.
Oh yeah. And this is 2083?
2064.
2064. Wow, I like this.
Compared to the other one.
Yes.
And you look is a lot bigger, which is perfect. And you can edit. You can be. But the thing is the hardwood floors. You think, but y'all
It'll be
got
fine.
supplies right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you
In the
gonna be
living
fine.
room. I like this. Oh,
I love this. Look, I love your cabinets. Look at that.
I'm obsessed. Okay.
And then look, you got the things that you was talking about.
Mhm.
What is this?
Fixtures?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Let me see the
finishing
list.
my things and everything. I was like, the thing.
The thing. Oh. I love it. Oh, even better. Yes. See, yeah, I need more space. Because my child, yeah. Love this.
Amazon, the nicer one.
Oh, this is better.
You see it? This is a vibe. I like this. I can see this. Look at this.
And then look at this, the show.
Wait, wasn't you back here already?
Mm-mm.
No, it fix it, Jesus.
I love this.
How come yours is on the angle? I need mine to be. Can I do it?
Because of the
I
tripod.
don't got the little thing back.
I love this.
I do too. I think it's beautiful.
And then this closet.
That's your linen closet. This is so much bigger.
I'm obsessed.
I love that. And it definitely gives spa vibes.
Oh, I'll try it with the peaches. Yes.
And you can really try it both ways if you want.
Okay.
And you could make a mimosa with it, you know, with orange. And you could add other fresh fruit or, you know what I'm saying? You can do
Right.
anything or drink it by itself.
Right.
Okay. Let's do it this way then.
Yeah, you do that way and send it to me and I'll send it to you.
Okay.
Oh, that's really good. This is good.
Okay. You ready?
I like that. It's smooth. Okay. I know. I like that.
I like that.
Yes.
We're gonna consider this and we're gonna come back. Cause I bought so much wine yesterday.
Yeah.
We don't need no more.
Are y'all celebrating something? Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't get it.
I'm gonna send it to you. Oh, that's good.
And it's a great price point too, $8.98.
Oh, that is a good price. I like that.
Strong.
Talking about that strong. That ain't strong.
And I drink Tennessee, so that's strong to me.
I like
That
that.
is nice. Okay, you want to do one?
Can we try to dry one? Or is it a limit? So this gotta make
This ain't
sense.
no game, baby. We doing this for real.
That's a great TikTok. I love how this quality is looking right now.
Yeah.
That's good, right?
Yeah, that's-
Oh, damn. Come on, Salmon. Goddamn.
Boom. It's enough.
Yeah, I just need to get this last little bit. I'm like, look, whatever. We'll eat that piece, right?
Right.
Okay. Then what they did, he put a little bit of cheese. Put a little bit of cheese. It's still going. I heard something.
I just turned it back on.
Oh, okay. Okay, put a little cheese. That's enough or that's too much?
Oh, that's enough. That's
Okay.
good.
Okay. Then what they do?
Right, we thought we needed some more noodles.
This whole time we was good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I gotta stand up for that, cause baby,